Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Signing documents electronically has never been easier, allowing you to quickly and securely approve agreements from anywhere. PandaDoc streamlines this process, saving you valuable time and hassle. Your journey begins with an email notification, letting you know a document awaits your signature. Simply open that email and click the Sign Document button. It's the first step to a seamless, efficient signing experience, ensuring your documents are handled with care. Once you click the link, your document will open directly in your web browser. Before adding any signatures, it's crucial to thoroughly review every page of the document. Scroll through, carefully checking all the details, clauses, and terms. PandaDoc provides clear navigation to ensure you don't miss anything. Taking this moment to review ensures accuracy and peace of mind before proceeding. After reviewing, you'll need to locate the specific areas designated for your signature and initials. PandaDoc often includes a helpful navigation bar or an arrow that guides you directly to these required fields. Simply click on each signature or initial box. The system will then automatically prompt you for your input and often jump you to the next field, making the process incredibly intuitive. This ensures you fill out every necessary section accurately. Now it's time to apply your signature. PandaDoc offers 3 convenient methods. You can simply type your full name and the system instantly converts it into a neat digital signature. If you prefer a more personal feel, you can use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature directly. Or, for consistency, you might upload an image of your existing physical signature. Whichever option you select, rest assured your electronic signature is legally binding and fully secure. Once all required fields are completed and your signature is applied, it's time for the final step. Look for the prominent Finish or Complete Document button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Click this button to finalize the process. You'll then receive an immediate confirmation, and often, a copy of the fully signed document will be sent to your email. Your signed document is now securely stored, accessible, and officially completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.